normally that is we just only to identify the position. No? So here we are going to traverse a formal way. Traverse means what? Just like traveling. You are going somewhere, right? So this is the tree is a data structure. So in data structure, we have to assume that we need to get all values of this data structure, right? So if I say, so this is the tree that we have developed just now, no? So if I ask, can you please send, if I ask from you, can you please send the all the numbers which included in this tree? Right. So one of you may say 100, 150, 110, 60, 30, 10, 20, like that. And another, if I ask from another student, please send, say the answers, then she or he may take another order. But that is different orders. Now, in data structures, there must be a formal way to say all the knots. Say all the knots. So now we have done with the creating binary structure. Now we are going to traverse the structure, traverse the tree. It means in this traversing, every one of you get the same marks. Otherwise, uh, different answers may have someone say from they is starting from another number and another person is starting from another number, but you have only two orders that you can traverse: breadth first traverse and the depth first traversal. Breadth and depth, what is the difference between breadth and depth? So breadth first means it is just like, so you can use these things to your study methods as well. These are two study methods as well. Breakfast is study method. So we can say like that. Breakfast is study method is, it is just like, we'll say this subject, DSA, you just take all the PDFs which I sent you and just you get some overall idea first. So when it comes to, stack, what is stack mean are these things, right? You are not going to deeply analyze, but you get idea. And after that goes to the next lesson. What is queue? It is like, right, linked list. So everything you know now, but you are not going to depth still. So after that you can do, that is one study method, breakfast first, just taking overall idea. Or else you can do, then after taking, again go to the deep of each analyze, each section. But breakfast traverses, we will say, you are starting from this stack. You starting from this stack and stack inside, you complete everything. But if I just please also do the queue, no, I'm not starting it now. I'm entirely finished stack. After that, I will start that part. So that is another study method. So normally, I more prefer in study methods, I'm asking you to every time do the breakfast traverse. Even this DSA subject also, yeah, it's true when it comes to stack, I explain until the coding, but still there are some more deep analysis also in stack lesson as well. So this DSA subject also better if you use breakfast. Actually, if you use means I conduct the lessons as breakfast. First time doing overall things. So stack actually we have done with it all things. But when it comes to that at least you have idea about what is Q. But I just skip that, right? Everything I get into breakfast first. After that, what I did, I go inside each of the section. Actually, from the next days, you can get, maybe I'm again using stack and something because it is again connected to the linked list and nodes. So there I'm going to again discuss stack in a more deep manner. So that is called breadth-first traverse. First you can get idea, and again if you have time, again the second round, third round, fourth round, going deeper and deeper. But first you are getting overall idea. Or else you can do, you just close all the things, just only stack you are learning until the end of the semester like that. Sometimes you have no time and you don't know nothing about the other sections. So that is breadth first. Deep analyzing only one section. Actually, not only one. After you done all it fully, completely, then you start the second section. So that is normally students doing, but I asked to do breadth first because then only you can pass the examination in the, in the very good, efficient manner. You can do your studies, right? So when you take breadth first traversal, if you go breadth first, right? So I'm going to do the breadth first traversal here. So this is my binary tree, right? I'm going to traverse breadth first. Assume these are some homes in a particular village. So we have to visit to every village. In last few months, it is normally it is done, isn't it? In political campaigns, there are some political meetings. So some of the parties of the political have some aims. We must go each and every home of this village of this area like that. Then you can suggest what different suggestions are there, no? So if you are just travel, we'll say these are some homes, right? Now we are going to visit every home. So the finally you must visit all homes. The pattern, the order you are going to do is here breadth first traverse. So this is how you going to traverse. 13, right? So first you are going to 13th house, right? 13 not. Then first you start with the root, then 10. However, start from the left side, right? As a standard, you start from left. Then 25. 10, 25. This is the next level now. This is our first level, actually 0 level, the first level. Then next 2. Then you visit second, this 2 not. Then 12. After that, 20, 31. Here this must be connected like this, right? Then 29. Right. So this is breadth first traversal. It is simple, but if I say depth first, this is like 13, when come to 10, these things, they deeply go to 13, 10, 10 again 10 from to like that. Not that old. It means when you start from home, there is another home there, another home deeply, maybe sub roads you are going like that. But breakfast is first we'll cover main road homes, then we'll go to first lane. Once we cover all the things, then we go to the second lane. So this is breakfast. When it comes to depth first, it is just like okay. So you visited home which is situated in main road, and after that you seen another sub road in there, and you are going there, and again there is another sub road. From that road, you traverse to there, deep like that. You are going inside it like that. So that is depth first. Hope you get the idea, right? This is breakfast, right? So these things must be very familiar, right? Because so you can understand what I'm saying. So when I'm teaching you binary tree, how to develop, and I give you a question, any one of you, if I ask, is it clear? You actually said, yeah, it is clear because it is really simple logic. If it is less than, keep it in left. If it is greater, keep it in right. So, but when I'm giving you question, none of you give 100% correct answer, isn't it? So, this is the problem of this subject. I hope you now understand. So, when I explained this breakfast, Any one of you says in the session, it is not clear? No, none of you. You every time say, okay, that is really clear. But when I'm giving question, mostly you cannot do it at once. So actually you can, but there is something in this subject. Even I can't say what is the problem, right? So in binary, that is why. So I explain once again. I explain. Also, Naduni, you joined little bit late. You asked to explain the question. I explained it also. How to draw the binary tree in that question. You can just go through the recording or then. So I explained that one, right? Anyway, so that is the problem. So you think now it is okay, but when you are going to do the question, then you realize actually you don't know. But when you learn the concept, you feel like okay. So that means you didn't really get it. That's the thing. But you don't know, you don't understand. That is the point. ඔයා දන්න ඔයා තේරුම් ගන්න නැහැ කියලා. ඔයා හිතනවා තේරුම් අරන් කියලා. ඒකනේ ක්වෙස්චන් එක කරන්න ගියාම ඉර වෙන්නේ නැහැනේ හොඳටම තේරුම් ගත්තා කියනවනම්. හැබැයි ඔයාලට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. ක්වෙස්චන් එකක් කරලම් බලන්න ඕනේ මම තේරුම් අරන්ද ඉන්නේ කියලා. So that is actually not your issue. You have to do a question and think whether really I'm okay this lesson. Right. So this is breakfast. No, this is breakfast. So breakfast traversing is actually not much complex. Yeah, I will give questions in assignment section. Just only one question I'm going to discuss under the binary tree creation, because this part also I have to cover. Only one question I'm going to give in one scenario, right? That question is really enough. Again, try that question. That question is really enough. And also I will post another just only one question in the assignment section. That is really enough. Then just also another, it doesn't matter. So just forget it that now, because it will not affect to this traversal part. This is once again another section, you can say, right? So if you still not very good at creation of the binary tree, it doesn't matter. Now just listen and consider it to this section, traversal. Then I'm again giving a question from traversal. You can try it out. So it doesn't matter whether you are unable to draw the binary tree. Actually, normally questions comes first. Please draw the binary tree. Then traverse. That is connected. But here I'm not going to connect those two sections. Any one of you feel like we need more practice in binary tree creation? Okay, you can do it later. Now we are going to understand the traversal. That is creation. Right. So breadth first traversal, and there is another type, as I said, depth first. Depth first, there are three types. Deeply. There are three types. Pre-order, in-order, post-order. At least I'm trying to cover this pre-order. Right. Pre-order is root left, right. It is just like march past, isn't it? Root left, right. And in-order is left, root, right. Post order is left, right, root. Right. We'll start from the pre-order. This is the command I'm giving to you. Traverse this binary tree according to root, left, right. It means if I say traverse this binary tree according to pre-order, then you have to traverse, what is the order? Root, left, right. Root, left, right. Remember these three terms. If any one of you need some note downs, please do that. So I will send the PDF later. If you need this, just you can take a snapshot or just write down. Pre-order, only I need pre-order logic. Root, left, right. Okay, shall we traverse under depth first? Pre-order. So this is my binary tree, right? So now I'm going to traverse with this tree. Root, left, right. Root, left, right. So this is the answer, if I traverse with the pre-order, this is the answer I can get. So let me explain that answer. First route, no. Then first you visited to this house. We'll say these are some houses. 63. Then what? Left. Go to left. Route left. Go to left. Then 27. Here, try to understand very clearly. Now you have come to left house. From there again think. Now you have to come, now you came to the left house. That's true. Again, think from keeping there, again you have to think. So now you are inside 27. Come inside to 27 first. Come inside to 27 first. Then look at again as that now you have to consider you are inside 27. It is just like understand right this. Otherwise, this order is sometimes the students are really struggling, right? Understand kind of like this. So you are you planning to go somewhere, right? You have some previously planned things. Maybe you are going to do shopping at Nugegodo, Colombo, Kandy, or any place we'll say, right? And however, you have another requirement just to visit one of your friend as well. So you went there first, and after that you have planned to okay, I'm going to. We'll say you are going to shopping at Candy, but in that one while you are traveling, you think I will meet my friend, and also you are going shopping after that, right? You went to your friend's home. So then your friend says, I have also some work. Shall we go to bank as well? I have a small task to do at bank. Can you come with me? And I will come with you also to shopping at Candy. Then you agree on that. So you are going to bank first at friends area. After that, both of you can go to shopping at Candy. So just like this is your pre-order. It is like you going to do route left, right. It's true. But when you go to left, another house is there. Your friend is there, and friend suggests another thing. And because of that, you perform friend's request first, and it doesn't mean you cancel your plans to go in shopping. You also doing that. But before that, you have to do your friend's request. After performing that, once again, you are going to Candy also. Right? I hope you get what I mean. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා යාළුවක් ගෙදරට ටිකක් යාළුවා කියනවා මෙහෙත් යන්න. ඔයා එහෙත් ගිහිල්ලා තමයි අරහෙ යන්නේ. හැබැයි අරහෙ නොගිහින් ඉන්නේ ඔයාගේ ඔළුවේ දැන් තියෙනවා මෙන්න මෙලට යන්න ඕනේ කැන්ඩි. හැබැයි යාළුවා කියනවා මෙහෙත් ගිහින් ඉන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ එතෙන්ට ගියාම තව වැඩක් දකිනවා. It is just like another example. So you are going to do some certain task. Right? We'll say in these days, tomorrow is deadline for the final year project for BIT students. These days I'm doing supervision. And because of that, not little bit, really busy, right? So tomorrow is the final deadline for that. And also I'm also doing supervision work. So these days students sometimes just sending me proposal at the last moment, just only one day, no? So, and saying I have done all things, that's only just to fine tune some things like that. But when I open the proposal, I can say some of the things are blank. We'll say there is a thing to develop called Gantt chart. Using another software, they have to develop a chart called Gantt chart, right? So the main thing is what? Doing the proposal. And when it comes to proposal, sometimes even students are not aware. So I ask, why didn't include the Gantt chart? Is that also needed? Then I have to say, yeah, it is also must. Then that student quickly they have to develop the Gantt chart also. It is just like going to do certain work. When that work, another work is there inside. So then first perform that and do the main task again and come to the main task again. Right. Both of these examples you can understand. So otherwise, if you take why I explain so much this one. Root left, right, no, right? Root left, then right. If you do in that sense, you will get incorrect answers. Come here, whether is 20, sorry, 63, 28. No, there is 30. Then you are getting surprised and you are get confused most of the time. Many students I see this is struggling. So sometimes they think manuals are incorrect because there are some incorrect things also in manuals, no? But this is not incorrect, right? In UCSC manuals also they think I done it correctly, but this no. This is in traversing. It is just like you have to perform inner task as well. Otherwise, you will get very incorrect answer, root left, right. If you traverse like that, no. Then now I'm going to explain how to do this. So now you get the idea. We can say root left, right, order. But there are some things inner works here. Here, just like root, okay, left, right, okay, right means so. Now you have come to the left. Now you are in 27. Now you are inside your friend's home and friend say something. Friend, now think you are rude. You are rude. For a while, think you are rude. Then again, another new route is there. Another new task is there. Then please do that task first. And now you are rude. Then to left, right. Here, left, right. Yeah. Why it is left and again not go to deep? Because there is no task. When you go to your friend's works, when you go with your friend with bank, if he or if she again ask, can you again go to the food city also with me? Then again you have to do that as well. But this friend is not like so. He requested something just to go to bank. So you come here to go to Candy, but your friend requested, "Oh, can you please just go to bank with me in this nearby our home?" Okay, then you go there. He has requested two things, right? Uh, so how to map that? Anyway, so only bank, right? Then you perform any other activities. It means you are going in this level, root left, right. So if you comes here and again request something, again you have to apply that. Again root left, right. Again root left, right. Then only you have to come out of that subtask. Here root left. When it comes to left, another sub words are there. Again, think about now you are root. You are the main person. Left, right. Is it 63, 27, 13, 51? Correct, right? Then, don't be confused. Now you have main task. You plan to go to Candy. You plan to go to shopping. Okay, now your friend's task and requirements you fulfill. Then come with friend and now you can go to your task. Now I have done with route left. මේවා left එකට ගිය පාර තමයි එක එක වැඩ කියලා තියෙන්නේ. Just you go to town and that person says, can you just go to there and like that. Now you just finish the left side. Now you just finished the left side. Now again come to the route. What you are going to do now? You going to do the shopping now? Okay, now you can go there. Route left is left, completely left. Done. Fully. Then come to the route again. Now you are in route again, right? Now go where you are going to, where you wish to go. දැන් තමයි ඔයා මේ ඔයාගේ වැඩේට යන්නේ. හරි. Then write 80. Right? Again and again repeat that cycle. That is the thing. Again and again repeat that cycle. When you go to shopping, when you come to candy, you see, you uh, you also having another requirements. I came here just to get some clothes, some for we'll say some clothes like that, some. But you feel like you also it's worthy to get some household things as well. It's worthy to eat some things as well, right? Shall we go to drink some tea? So those things also come. Then again think, now you are root. Again, go to left. First left. But there is no left requirements. Then as there are no, then go to right. That is how it 92. Once again, now you are in route. Now you think from there. Now you are drinking cup of tea. From there you are thinking, now where to go? Again, now you are route. You are now again inside some place. Again, left. වමෙන් පටන් ගන්න. You have to start from left. Normally says start from right now. So normally, so there are some times, isn't it? Or some auspicious, some special times, some those things. Normally we say start from right, no. Keep your right leg like that, no. So here, don't forget, IT. You have to start from left, left. ඔන්න වමෙන් පටන් ගන්නවා. දකුණෙන් නෙමෙයි. හරි. Here when you come to now you are in route again left. Left 82. That's all. You have done all the works. You have traversed all the knots. Right. This is called pre-order. Pre-order. So actually, still I am doing this in the this so normal channel. However, even if it is not, I am really prepared to taking breaks in the middle. Because this one actually when I'm explaining and even not only the Zoom sessions, right, even the physical lecture I'm taking so much breaks, but I'm going to cover the syllabus as well, because I think learning effectively is must be small chunks and chunks. Otherwise you also get boring, even though how much interesting I conducted lecture. That is really, even to listen to it and understand is also something not much easy process, isn't it? As a students, you also have to work. It means you can't think another things and just come here. It is not valuable to you even. You have to pay good attention, good consideration. Maybe you feel I can listen to lecture 5 hours even, but actually no productivity. So then, when I'm asking you to get a small break, but don't wait too much time. When I'm just trying to start exactly from 10 minutes, or else if I got late, I'm always giving you in the, yeah, of course, we'll do is another activity also for the pre-order. Also try to, yeah, we'll try to do a pre-order activity, and after that we are moving to next time, right? So again I'm getting a small break just after 10 minutes. Please rejoin at 10:50. We are going to do a small activity from there. You can get a break now.